Hi, I'm Ray Goodart from the Rocky Mountain Retina Consultants in Salt Lake City. I've had the pleasure over the last year of working with Bausch & Lomb and Storz in the development of a new ILM Forceps for vitreoretinal surgery. The design evolved from the Eckhart style of ILM Forceps. I had difficulty with the Eckhart style tearing the retina, tearing the membrane as the membrane was lifted from the surface of the retina, and then not having a grasping platform to continue to remove the preretinal membrane. Out of the development then, we used the Eckhart style for the in-grasping forceps, although made it more sturdy to allow for better removal. At the edge of the Eckhart end, we added a scraper to alleviate the need for a tanno diamond dusted brush in lifting the edge of the membrane. Once the membrane is lifted, then it can be grasped using the ILM platform incorporated in the forceps. This allows for continuation of the removal of the membrane without having to re-grasp it on numerous occasions. The advantage also of the Goodart style forceps is that it is stiffer and is not as mobile as the 25 and 23 gauge Eckhart style reusable forceps that are now in use. If you look at the close photograph of the actual instrument, you can see the in-grasping Eckhart style of the forceps. You can see the grasping platform, which I think is a major advantage over the current style, allowing for removal of the membrane in one piece rather than multiple pieces as it tears. The scratching surface at the end of the membrane forceps is visible as well. This allows for lifting of the edge of the membrane and without having to use or introduce the tanno diamond dusted brush. Now let's take a look at an actual surgical case that has been performed by Dr. David Faber. You can see the scraper being used to lift the edge of the membrane after it's been stained. As he begins to lift the membrane from the edge of the retina and peel it in a circumferential fashion, you can see the way the membrane is grasped and is lifted by the forceps. As it continues to be pulled around, he then can grasp it using the platform to completely remove it from the surface of the retina. This did not necessitate additional instrumentation being introduced into the eye, but allowed for one instrument and quick removal of the preretinal membrane.